Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Congratulations, sir and madam. I will present our research, Nur Effendi and Septi Budi Sartika, with the tema or topic, the analysis of student perception about collaboration skill on natural science practicum. The introduction. Fact number one, collaboration skills are said to be important because they are one of the skills that must be developed in the 21st century. Hope number one, the describe student perception collaboration skill in natural science and practicum learning. Number two, fact, the collaboration skill can be developed through several learning model or method or strategies. For example, cooperative learning or group learning. Hope the number two, the collaboration skill can be improved from a several learning model or method or strategies. The methods. Number one, the type of research used is quantitative survey. Type research with a cross-sectional survey design. Number two, the study population was students who program course in which there were a science practicum in the several teacher training program, namely student of natural science education study program and elementary school teacher education study program at the Universitas Muhammadiyah Sidoarjo. Number three, the sample were selected randomly by a distributing questionnaire and obtain 104 respondents. Number four, the data collection technique use a questionnaire consisting of 12 statements based on indicator of collaboration skill when conducting science. Number five, the data analysis technique use the descriptive statistic. The questionnaire give a scale of 1 until 5 is 10 present and categorized. The result and discussion. The table 1. Distribution of percentage of student perception on indicator demonstrate ability to work effectively and respectfully with diverse system. There are 5 sub-indicators. Number one, assemble the tool and material provided in accordance with the practicum module with the group. This is very agree 67.31 percentage. And then documenting practicum activities 65.38 very agree percentage. Write down the result of the experiment into the table in the interim report. 66.35 very agree a percentage. Respect different opinion among practicum group member. 56.73 very agree. And then 41.35 agree, and the giving opinion in group when encountering difficult during a practicum, this is 47.12 very agree percentage. The table the table 2, this is a percentage distribution of student perception on the indicator exercise, flexibility, and willingness to be helpful in making necessary compromise to accomplish a common goal. Sub indicators, there are three sub indicators. Number one, give example of assembling tool and material in the practical group. Very agree, this is 43.27%. Help other group to assemble tool and material, this is a 20.19 very agree percentage. Being a laboratory assistant in practicum activities that have been exit in the 16.35 very agree percentage. And then agree 43.27. The table 3 presented distribution of student perception on indicator Zoom share response, collaborative work, value and value the individual contribution. There are of a fourth sub indicator. Number one, were a laboratory code when doing a practicum in the laboratory. This is 69.23 very agree percentage. Tying up and returning practicum tool and material with the group. This is 70.19 a very agree percentage. Representing the group to present the practicum result in the practicum result seminar. This is so 31.73 very agree percentage. And then answering question from other group during a discussion and at the practicum result seminar. This is so 28.85 very agree percentage. The table 4 presented distribution of each collaboration skill indicator. There are 3 indicators. Number one, demonstrate ability to work effectively and respectfully with diverse team. The categorization a very agree 60.58 very agree percentage. Agree is 37.88. This is category very collaborative. The exercise flexibility and willingness to be helpful in making necessary compromise to accomplish a common goal. This is very agree in the 20 26.60 percentage, and then agree 53. This is collaborative category. Assume share responsibility for collaborative work and evaluate the individual contribution made by each team member. This is 50, very agree, 50, very agree percentage. And then agree 43.99. This is a very collaborative category. The conclusion, based on the result of data analysis and discussion, it can be concluded that student perception of collaboration skill are important in the natural science practicum, which are detailed in the following indicator. Number one, the demonstrate ability to work effectively and respectfully with diverse team categories as very collaborative. Number two, the exercise flexibility and willingness to be helpful in making necessary compromise to accomplish a common goal in the collaborative category. And number three, assume share responsibility for collaborative work and evaluate the individual contribution made by each team member in the very collaborative category. Okay, this is my presentation. Thanks for your attention and congratulations for sir and madam.